Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as Sipho Mbule has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs. We are going to speak about that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So earlier this week I made a video regarding Sipho Mbule. I said we should sign him. I mentioned why we should sign him. I mentioned why it's a risk signing him, but then his agent has confirmed that Sipho Mbule has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs. So the ball is now in Kaizer Chiefs court. It's up to them whether they sign him or not. And my take is still the same, mate. I ain't changing nothing. We should sign Sipho Mbule. I mentioned the reasons. I mentioned why we should sign Sipho Mbule, because talent wise he's better than every midfielder we currently have. He's better than every player we currently have. But then his off-field issues, I did mention them. I think if Kaizer Chiefs ends up not signing Sipho Mbule, is not because of his performance in the field or something like that. It will be because of his off-field issues, because that's the reason he was released from Mamelodi Sundowns. That's the reason why Sekhukhune United released him, But then in that video I mentioned that we should sign Sipho Mbule, and these were the comments. Some of you agreed with me, some of you did not. A comment from Simo, spot on brother, it's a risk worth taking. Meaning he says we should take the risk and sign Sipho Mbule on a 1-year deal. And like he said, that is a big no. How can Chiefs buy ill-disciplined player like him and think he will change? That is a suicide itself, and know that a leopard can't change his sport. So he doesn't want to see Sipho Mbule in a Kaizer Chiefs jersey. He doesn't believe Sipho Mbule will change his behavior. And Kagiso said yes, they must sign him. Godwill said yes, they must take him. Xolani said Chiefs must sign Mbule ASAP. Arnold says we'll buy him a case, it's fine. Oh, and Wandile said no to alcoholic to Chiefs. Damn. And Koyasi said Chiefs shouldn't sign him. His performance is declined. I don't think so, mate. I don't think so, because I watched Sipho Mbule as Sekhukhune almost every game that he played, and he was brilliant. He was Sekhukune's best player. They had to release him, because of the off-field issues. But then on the pitch, he was their best player. So I don't believe his performance has declined. Even if that was the case, we know what Sipho Mbule is capable of. I regard him as the most talented midfielder in South Africa. Most talented player, in fact. So his performance will never be a problem. I know Sipho Mbule is going to give us 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10 in every game. That's what he does, So I think Sipho Mbule is a player we definitely need. Very talented. In that midfield, we lack someone who can take control of the game, who can win us game, make the team play, support in terms of going forward, support in defense. That's what Sipho Mbule does as a number 8. So I think Chiefs should get this done. And we must remember, if we don't sign Sipho Mbule now, there's no way we are going to get him ever again. This is our only chance. So it's now or never. Kaizer Chiefs should offer Sipho Mbule a contract 1 year plus an option to extend with 1 year. Let's take the risk. Let's sign Sipho Mbule. But then let me know in the comment section what you think about all this situation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.